Hey, Mike LaFleche, the professor here. I wanted to introduce you to Onshape Labs MCP Server, which helps you greatly automate what you can do for building CAD models in Onshape. You can build entire systems, CAD models, multiple parts, anything you can create in an Onshape Parts Studio can be used with the Onshape MCP Server. So you can see here in my journey, I wanted to walk through the journey that I took to learn how to prompt Onshape to build systems of parts or simple one part examples, just simple features that you can add to a part. These are all things you can do with the Onshape MCP server. So it'll learn what I could do for getting CAD models from code was to use Claude Code, which is running here in my window here. And this is just a terminal window and on my Mac, right? And I've split my screen to have full screen. But I have Onshape over here and I have Claude Code over here on the left. And I want to do some work. I told it that I wanted to design a bookcase made of black walnut that is manufacturable and that will support various book loads, add a right rail table, show me all the load conditions. Now, how would we do that? Well, we've already had Onshape build that custom feature to generate the bookshelf. So from that prompt, it will generate Onshape FeatureScript. And it may take several attempts. It's going to go back and forth to communicate with Onshape via the API, understand the right ways of modeling things, test it, and then give you the result. And if you don't like the result, you ask it to correct the result. And that's what I did in my first example. Essentially, you walk through the history of the document because Onshape records the history of everything, even if AI is doing it here for you, which is fantastic. I can go back to version 0 of this when I first started with this. And there's version 1 right there. So let me go back to version 0. And you can see the first feature is pretty simple, right? All it is a width value. So that's as far as it got, but it did a really nice thing is it named all of the parts properly in the Onshape Parts Studio. And it also made it manufacturable, meaning I have the nice dado cutouts right here. All right. But let me go to version 1. And you can see, it'll even, I have branched off to try out different things, different scenarios. Like I wanted to see what the books would look like in the bookshelf because I wanted to do a rendering. And it's probably pretty stupid to spend my time modeling books to put in a library just so I can get a rendering. So I told Claude to add a book feature as a separate feature because I didn't know if I wanted it to always be part of the main bookcase. I was worried about the performance of the feature, although I really, shouldn't be that worried because Onshape is doing a really good job at rebuild time and speed, with this. But these are things you can have it optimize on if you find that is not your experience. So really easy to come up with that bookshelf. And as I told it, I wanted it to give me a right rail table on, some basic calculations, whether this thing would survive. If we, put a 5,000 pound load at the, some point on the midspan, it's going to fail, right? So that's obvious. But, in this case, I'm just seeing what's possible, right? The next thing I wanted to do was create a rendering of the bookshelf. So I created an assembly so that way I could have all 4 feet on the floor. And I'm using AI Quick Render now to generate an automatic image using AI rendering technology. I can give it simple prompts like this, add environment information. I'm going to tell it that I want a window coming in from the left with sunlight coming in from a late summer sun. And I have the need to have pages in these books with titles on these books. I'm not going to draw all that and model all that. I'm just going to let AI apply all that overlaid for me. And here are the results. And you can try out different types of prompts as well and download them to your Onshape document so you can store the renderings there for future use and sharing with the rest of your team. That's AI Quick Render, part of Onshape Labs.